Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European markets ended mixed as investors stayed cautious and largely refrained from making significant moves, closely tracking earnings and other corporate announcements. At least 9 new U.S. crypto ETF filings stoked optimism regulatory approval was close. However, Wall Street's top cop all but doused it with a string of comments. China is expanding its far-reaching tech campaign into online education, issuing the maximum penalties to 2 of the country's fastest-growing tutoring apps for violating competition and pricing laws.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10:00 GMT, the U.S. Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the Eurozone's ZEW Survey Economic Sentiment at 900 GMT. Germany's ZEW Survey Current Situation will be released at 900 GMT, Japan's 10-year bond auction at 3:35 GMT, Japan's JP Foreign Reserves at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.